Wisconsin, eastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 10:45 p.m. National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-Lake Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kenosha to 9 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 33 nautical miles east of Wind Point, moving south at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.